Hello, my name is Biju and Microsoft Windows 11 is coming soon. These are all of the new features and other details about Microsoft's big update you need to know. Microsoft unveiled the next generation of Windows at its virtual event in June, and with it, some big changes to the long-standing operating system. Windows 11 includes a slew of new features, like the ability to download and run Android apps on your Windows PC and updates to Microsoft Teams, the Start menu and the overall look of the software, which is more clean and Mac-like in design. The new features included in Windows 11 are a new, more Mac-like interface, integrated Android apps. Android apps will be coming to Windows 11 and installable from within the new Microsoft Store via the Amazon App Store. Microsoft Teams integration. Xbox tech for better gaming, better virtual desktop support. Easier transition from monitor to laptop and better multitasking. When you will be able to get Windows 11. Windows 11 is now available as an Insider Preview build download for those in the Windows Insider program and will be available as a public beta in July. It will begin rolling out to all compatible PC and new PC around the 2021 holiday season, according to Microsoft, and will continue rolling out into 2022. However, several hints suggest that Windows 11 could arrive as early as October. What are the system requirements to run Windows 11? Here is the full list of system requirements for Windows 11, including at least 4 GB of RAM, 64 GB of storage, and a 720p display larger than 9 inches diagonally. Processor 1 GHz or faster with 2 or more cores on a compatible 64-bit processor or system on a chip. RAM 4 GB. Storage 64 GB or larger storage device. System firmware UEFI, secure boot capable. TPM Trusted Platform Module, TPM version 2.0. Graphics card compatible with DirectX 12 or later with WDTM 2.0 driver. Display HD, 720p display greater than 9 inches diagonally, 8 bits per color channel. Internet connection and Microsoft account for Windows 11 Home Edition, Internet connectivity, Microsoft account to complete device setup on first use for all Windows 11 editions, Internet access to perform updates and to download and use some features, Microsoft account for some features. How to know if your computer will be compatible with Windows 11. To see if your current Windows 10 PC is eligible for the free upgrade to Windows 11, go to Microsoft's website for a list of requirements. Will it be free to download Windows 11? If you are already a Windows 10 user, Windows 11 will appear as a free upgrade for your machine. What is the pricing of the software? Assuming Microsoft is going to offer the Home and Pro versions of the upcoming Windows, then we can say the fresh copies of Windows 11 Home will be somewhere around $120 while the Pro version will come for $200. Please watch the top new features video from Microsoft.